In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add links to your designs with ease. Whether you're looking to link text or objects, this guide will walk you through the entire process step by step, ensuring that your designs are interactive and ready to go. Let's start with linking text. First, you'll want to be in design mode. Choose the text object or the specific portion of text you wish to use as a link. It's crucial that you've carefully identified the text, as this will ensure your viewers have a seamless experience. Once you've got your text selected, head over to the Property Inspector. Here, under the Text section, you'll find a field labeled Insert URL here. This is where you're going to input the full URL you wish to link to. For example, if you want your text to redirect users to a website, you'd enter it in full as https://www.example.com. After you've added your link, you'll notice that the text usually becomes underlined. This visual cue is important because it indicates that a hyperlink is active and ready for interaction. This is a standard practice that makes it immediately clear to your users that the text can be interacted with. When you preview or share your prototype or design specs, this link will efficiently open in a new browser tab. This feature is incredibly convenient when sharing professional work, as it keeps the design intact while providing additional resources at a click. Now, let's move on to linking an object or component. The process here is slightly different, but just as simple. First, switch from design to prototype mode. This step is essential because it allows you to set interactive properties for your objects. Next, select the object or component you want to become a link. This could be a button, an icon, or any other interactive element in your design. Now, look for the blue prototyping arrow and drag it from your selected object. You'll need to focus on the interaction panel, which is crucial for setting up the link. Here, you'll set the trigger to tap or whatever interaction suits your scenario best. Then, set the action to hyperlink. In the destination field, you'd enter the URL you'd like to link to, such as https://www.example.com, or an email link like mail to you, someone@example.com. Finally, it's time to preview your prototype. Click or tap the linked object, and it should open the external URL seamlessly in a separate browser tab or window. This feature is immensely useful for guiding users outside your design to access more information or perform specific actions. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully added hyperlinks to both text and objects in your designs, making them interactive and user-friendly. Keep experimenting to see what works best for your projects. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.